Select your file, press to start. Welcome to Dino and Cosmo's adventure.
Hello, friends! Welcome to our magical space laboratory today. We are going to mix colorful potions and create brand new beautiful colors. Look at these 3 glowing bottles on the table. We have red, yellow, and blue. They are called primary magical colors.
First, let us pour the shiny red potion into a big glass bowl and then add some bright yellow potion into it.
Wow, look at that! The red and yellow potions mixed together and magically turned into a beautiful, glowing, bright orange color.
Now, let us try something else. We will pour the blue potion and the yellow potion together into this round glass bottle.
Amazing job! The blue and yellow magic mixed perfectly to create a lovely bright green color, just like a fresh spring leaf.
What happens if we mix the glowing red potion with the deep blue potion?
Let us stir them together in this pot. Ta-da! The red and blue potions changed into a wonderful, sparkling purple color. It looks like a magical galaxy in a jar. Let us add some pure white magic powder into the red potion now. Stir it very gently with a shiny little spoon. Look how sweet it is. The red and white mixed nicely to become a lovely, soft pink color, like a pretty flower.
Next, we will drop a tiny bit of dark black magic into a bottle of pure white magic. Watch it very closely.
The black and white colors mixed together and became a very cool gray color, perfectly matching our cute little astronaut cat friend.
Now we will pour all the beautiful new colors together into the giant magic cauldron. Get ready for a wonderful, colorful surprise! A beautiful glowing rainbow appeared. We made orange, green, purple, pink, and gray today. Mixing colors is a thank you for mixing magical colors with us today. Keep exploring the wonderful world of colors, and we will see you soon.